Right, we're standing close to the villages of Magor with Undi, which are planned to have a station. Our idea was to build a station to serve both communities. It would be located in the centre of the village because of the fact that we can become a walkway station. 6,500 people live in this village, all of whom live within about a mile at best. So it could be walk to, cycle to, and taxi to, or service bus to, because we'd also join up 60 odd buses that run through the village daily, and that would be an integrated form of transport. 11,000 vehicles a day use the B4245, and they are effectively putting out all the CO2, etc. And we all know that we want to reduce that, because the nearest station to us is Seven Tunnel Junction, which is a park and ride station. So most people drive there from this village, and 30% of the travellers at that station, of which there are 100,000, so that would be 30,000 people from these villages, which effectively makes 60,000 road journeys out and back. Reducing that's equivalent to 5 days plus travel on the B4245. So walkway stations at the beginning of time. It's a new idea. We're going to have to change people's ways of thinking. Forget the car, walk, cycle, taxi to the station. This station will be for not just us, but generations yet unborn. That's our plan, that's our idea, that's our vision. Beginning of time, and hopefully it will happen in the next 2-3 years.